Hi, and welcome to Yoga with Tim. Today we're going to do a 15-minute full body stretch routine. Today I'm joined with Michelle and Alexis, and they're going to be demonstrating as well. Let's begin by opening up the neck and the shoulders a bit. So find a comfortable seat where you're seated upright. Take your arms out to the side. Sit down through your left sit bone. Take your left arm up in the air, and then crawl your right fingers over to the right a bit. Reach down through your left hip as you side bend. Go to where you feel a balanced stretch, not too much, not too little, and then breathe into your side ribs like gills, open up the intercostals. Come back up, change sides. Take your right arm up, and as you sit down through your right hip and sit bone, stretch over to the side. Go to where you feel a nice balanced stretch, not too much, not too little. Pause there, breathe into your side ribs. Come back up. Fingers out at your side. Feel a stretch across your upper chest. Your collarbone's broad, but your ribs in. Now drop your right ear over to your right shoulder. Release the tension through the left side neck, down through the left shoulder, through the left fingers. You can even crawl the left fingers out to the side more if you need to feel the stretch. Then turn your nose towards your shoulder a bit more to feel the stretch go into the back of the neck a bit. And turn your nose up towards the ceiling slightly. Now one more variation to get into the scalenes a little bit deeper. Bring your right hand to your left collarbone. Soften the left collarbone down towards your hip, let it drop. And you should feel a deeper stretch here in the front of the neck, and even where the scalenes connect, just below, a little bit wider on the collarbone. Bring your head back up, and then tip your face away from where you have your hand on your collarbone. So a little different stretch. Bring your face back towards your collarbone and change sides. So now drop your left ear over to your left shoulder with your right arm out. You might want to crawl the fingers out a little bit if you need to. Now for all these stretches, we're not trying to jam as deep as we can into the stretch. Like on a scale of 1 to 10, you just want to be at a 5. And that will cue your nervous system to relax, so you can receive the benefit of the stretch instead of your body fighting back. Turn your nose towards the shoulder a little. Turn your nose away. Bring the left hand to the collarbone. Bring your head back up. As you smooth the collarbone down, drop your face away from the collarbone. I was off on the mic there, sorry. Good, bring your head back. Now let's come onto the hands and the knees. And let's mobilize the spine through cat-cow. Tuck your pelvis, round through your back like a wave rolling up your spine to your neck. And then as you inhale, like a wave into extension, lower back, middle, upper, and neck. 2 more times. Then come into neutral. Stretch back halfway towards your heels with your toes curled under. As you inhale, raise your right arm up. As you exhale, slide through for thread the needle. So you can stay upright like I'm going to show, or you can slide all the way to your shoulder and take your left arm over. Come back up and change sides. Come back up. Now step your right foot up to the outside of your right hand. If your hips are tighter, you could put your hands up on blocks like I'm going to show. If your hips are more open, you could lower down onto your elbows to get deeper into the stretch. Feel your groins and your hips open. Now from this position, slide your shoulder behind your leg and put your leg up over your head. And then balance up. No, I'm just kidding. From here, upright yourself. And for a little deeper stretch, we'll bring the hips back, bring the heel towards the butt, rock towards the top of the knee. And then pretend like you're dragging your kneecap back along the mat as you let your hips come forward in space. Don't strain. Good, release that. Now bring your hips back over the top of your left knee and slide your right leg forward until the leg is straight or almost all the way straight. And again, you can be up on blocks if you're tighter. And you can practice this with the toes pointed or with the foot flexed. Or you can do half and half. Release that and change positions. Left foot forward now. Hands on the inside of your foot. Stay up on the hands or go onto your elbows to go deeper. Come back up onto your hands. And then bring your heel towards your buttock, rock towards the top of your knee. And then like you're trying to drag the kneecap back, soften your navel, open up your sacrum, draw the hips forward towards your front heel. Don't strain. Go into the sensation, be there and breathe. Then release and come back into the half splits. Good, release that. Come onto your hands and your knees for puppy dog pose, which is like a hybrid between child's pose and downward dog. So in this pose, the knees go right underneath your hips. You're just gonna walk your hands forward until you feel a good stretch. Now, one thing you can do if you're not as flexible, you can take head support, or if you are flexible, but your head just doesn't come to the ground, then the head support can help you to relax into it. Come back up. Then lie down onto your belly. Arms out at your side. Bend your left knee and roll open to your side. So roll onto your right side, and you can plant your left foot behind you. Change sides. Come back to center. Now I'm going to leave you with this pose to hang out in for as long as you have time today, which is supported bound angle pose. So in this pose, the soles of the feet will come together. The blocks or pillows or whatever you have, books at home, will support the knees so that the groins can relax. And then we'll just take the arms into cactus position. So for your body to really benefit and really change from the stretch, it needs to be held for at least a minute. So that's why we practice spending more time in these poses so that the body could really open up and stretch. So I'm going to invite you to hang out there in this position for as long as you have time for today. Thanks so much for joining me for this. Hope you have a great day. I'll see you next time.